The stars, shining across the night sky, Al-Tair, Al-Zanib, Al-Debaran, they still carry the names given by Muslim astronomers centuries ago. They are not just points of light, they are the lamps of forgotten identity. They remind us of an age when Muslims were not just worshippers, they were seekers of knowledge, when mosques were the center of learning, where the mysteries of the earth and the heavens were uncovered, when some counted the stars, some explored the human bodies, and others studied the journey of light itself. The very first word revealed by the Quran Sharif was Ikra, read. It wasn't just a command, it was a revolution. It turned slaves into thinkers and thinkers into builders of civilization. This was a nation that believed knowledge is the highest form of worship. They measured the earth as a sign of Allah and read the heavens as mirror of His power. For them, every atom, every wave, every ray of light was an ayah, a verse in which the Creator spoke. Then silence fell. We stopped asking questions. We became afraid to think. We imprisoned Ikra within our books. And the Ummah that once changed the world with its pen lost itself in the noise of its own confusion. But the story isn't over. This Ummah is not dead, only asleep. And this series, Bedari, the Awakening, is an effort to awaken that sleeping nation. We will remember those who turned knowledge into light and light into faith. Al-Biruni, Ibn Hasham, Ibn Sina, Al-Razi, the warriors who fought the darkness of ignorance. Their battlefield was the library, their weapon was the pen, and their victory, knowledge. Today, the question is not where did they go, but who among us will rise again as Al-Biruni? Who will revive the call of Iqra in the generation? This journey belongs to you because the Quran is still the same, only the readers have changed. This is Bedari, the Awakening, a call to rediscover our lost light, to return to the command that once made us great. So let us begin once again with Iqra, because perhaps the next chapter will be written by you. Share this message, be part of the awakening, and wait for next episode. Thank you very much.